Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Daffodils. Hope so you all will be fine and enjoying my videos. In my last videos I discussed something about plants and this video is also about photosynthesis. Hope so this video will avail yourself much and more effective. Photosynthesis is a process used by plants and other organisms to convert light energy into chemical energy that through cellular respiration can later be released to fuel the organism's activities. Some of the chemical energy is stored in carbohydrate molecules such as sugars and starches, which are synthesized from carbon dioxide and water. Hence, the name photosynthesis from the Greek phos, light, and synthesis, putting together. Most plants, algae, and cyanobacteria perform photosynthesis. Such organisms are called photoautotrophs. Photosynthesis is largely responsible for producing and maintaining the oxygen content of Earth's atmosphere and supplies most of the energy necessary for life on Earth. Schematic of photosynthesis is in plants. The carbohydrates produced are stored in or used by the plant. Although photosynthesis is performed differently by different species, the process always begins when energy from light is absorbed by proteins called reaction centers that contain green chlorophyll pigments chromophores. In plants, these proteins are held inside organelles and chloroplasts, which are most abundant in leaf cells, which is bacteria. They are embedded in the plasma membrane. In these light-dependent reactions, some energy is used to strip electrons from suitable substance such as water, producing oxygen, gas, and so on. And something about the overview, we have two gases, H2O and CO2. That H2O is necessary for the human beings and CO2 is necessary for the plants. More photosynthetic organisms are photoautotrophs, which means that they are able to synthesize food directly from carbon dioxide and water using energy from light. However, not all organisms use carbon dioxide as a source of carbon atoms to carry out photosynthesis. Photo use organic compounds rather than carbon dioxide as the source of carbon. In plants, algae and cyanobacteria produce photosynthesis releases oxygen. The oxygenic photosynthesis is far by the most common type of photosynthesis used by living organisms, although there are some differences between oxygenic photosynthesis in plants, algae, or cyanobacteria. The overall process is quite similar in these organisms. There are also many varieties of anoxygenated photosynthesis used by bacteria which consume carbon dioxide but do not release oxygen. These are some equations. Light dependent reactions. In the light dependent reactions, one molecule of the pigment chlorophyll absorbs one photon and loses one electron. This electron is taken up by a modified form of chlorophyll called pheophytin, which passes the electron to a quinone molecule, starting the flow of electrons down an electron transport chain that leads to the ultimate reduction of NADP to NADPH. In addition, this creates a proton gradient, energy gradient across the chloroplast membrane, which is used by ATP synthase. In the synthesis of ATP, the chlorophyll molecule ultimately again regains the electron it lost when a water molecule is split in a process called photolysis, which releases oxygen. Water photolysis, efficiency, evolution, and so on. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and must like this video and thanks for watching.